hayloft out of it. This is the grain bins here. This is really rough wood. You can zoom in close and see how rough this wood is. Well, that's good stuff right there. A lot of beams in it. As you can see, this would be a 6x6 beam. Real rough cut beam. Everything's put in here. These are square names. So the hayloft is 2x8 floor joists up there, all rough cut. We'll be getting those out. Everything's put together with wooden pegs. There's an example. Those are wooden pegs right there. This beam right here, isn't this sweet? This is an old beam. See where the horses gnawed on that, chewed that up? That's good stuff. Right? The grain bins are 1x8 tongue and groove. These are all square nails. And they're all tongue and groove. There's a special way of taking that apart and saving that tongue and groove so it doesn't split out. The hayloft was all tongue and groove. We were able to salvage that without any problem. This is the inside of one of the grain bins. There's actually 4, I think. So this is the hayloft. The floor is out, of course. Nice big 2x8 floor joists. They're all really good. Rough cut. Little bit of split, not bad. Probably no more than 3 or 4 of these floor joists are going to have splits in them from over the years, but for the most part, they're all really good. This is all stacked out of the hayloft. It's all tongue and groove. You can see it was we're able to salvage that tongue and groove, not split that out. There's probably 1,200 board feet of hayloft there.
Bye.